Shiba Inu is showing serious signs of life today. The price has climbed, the community is celebrating, and analysts are dropping signals left and right. A massive surge in activity has been recorded, with nearly 1 trillion Shiba Inu tokens moving across the market. But just when things seemed like they couldn't get any wilder, another bombshell dropped. Shiba Inu is officially unbanned. You might be wondering what that even means and why this matters so much right now. Well, let's break it all down. After a rather slow and uneventful day of trading yesterday, Shiba Inu snapped back into action with an impressive price jump of around 1.22%. The difference in sentiment from just a day ago is massive. Yesterday, the market seemed cautious, with small dips making traders wonder if another drop was coming. Today, that doubt has disappeared, and confidence is making a return. The bulls are stepping in, the momentum is shifting, and that electric energy that Shiba Inu holders have been waiting for is back. But what's even more exciting is that this isn't just some random spike in price. Analysts are closely watching Shiba Inu right now because the chart suggests something even bigger could be brewing. The token has officially broken through a long-term resistance level, one that had been holding it back for quite some time. Now it's sitting near a critical retracement level, a zone that traders watch carefully because moving beyond it could open the floodgates for a much stronger rally. One of the key patterns forming on the charts right now is a classic bullish setup, a structure that has historically signaled massive breakouts. If Shiba Inu can push just a little higher, it will enter a zone where explosive price action could follow. The next major price target is now being discussed by analysts, and if momentum continues to build, we could see a strong move toward that level in the coming days. A major factor fueling this momentum is the sudden surge in buying pressure. Indicators are flashing green, showing that more buyers are stepping in. The market squeeze is intensifying, and that usually means that volatility is about to pick up. If the current trend holds, Shiba Inu could be in for a significant expansion. Of course, it's not guaranteed smooth sailing from here. If Shiba Inu fails to maintain this momentum and drops below key support levels, there is a chance of a pullback before any further gains. But as of now, the setup is looking promising. The next few days will be crucial in determining whether this is the beginning of something much bigger. But why is this happening now? What's actually driving Shiba Inu's sudden move? To understand that, we have to zoom out and look at the broader market. Bitcoin has been making moves of its own. After dipping to the mid-$90,000 range, it rebounded and is now holding steady at a slightly higher level. This is significant because, as history has shown time and time again, when Bitcoin moves, the rest of the crypto market follows, including Shiba Inu. The reason for Bitcoin's movement appears to be linked to recent policy shifts by the U.S. Federal Reserve. Inflation data recently came in higher than expected, sending shockwaves through financial markets. Initially, this triggered a brief sell-off as traders feared that the Federal Reserve might delay any rate cuts. But what happened next was unexpected. Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies bounced back. This reaction is different from what we've seen in the past. Normally, inflation fears would lead to investors pulling back, but this time, crypto markets held strong. That kind of resilience is catching attention, signaling a shift in how investors view crypto as a hedge against inflation. Instead of panic, confidence seems to be growing. At the same time, whale activity in the crypto market has surged to levels not seen in nearly 5 years. Data from CryptoQuant shows that whale transactions on exchanges have skyrocketed, a pattern that often precedes major price movements. The key metric to watch here is the whale exchange ratio, which tracks the proportion of exchange inflows coming from the largest wallets. On February 12, this metric jumped to a level that hasn't been seen since Bitcoin was approaching all-time highs in December. But it's not just whales making moves. Crypto miners, who had been steadily selling off their holdings for months, have suddenly stopped. This is an important shift. When miners stop selling, it often marks the bottom of a market cycle and signals that they expect prices to rise in the near future. So between the whales accumulating more crypto and miners holding on to their tokens, the signs are pointing towards something big on the horizon. The question is, how soon will it happen? For Shiba Inu, This could be absolutely massive. If Bitcoin really is gearing up for a major breakout, history suggests that Shiba Inu could be in for an even wilder ride. Meme coins tend to move even more dramatically than the rest of the market when sentiment turns bullish. Right now, all the ingredients for a major rally are in place. Shiba Inu is already showing strength on the charts, testing resistance levels, and gaining momentum. And let's not forget, Shiba Inu has a history of making unexpected, explosive moves when market conditions align. We've seen it happen before, and with everything lining up the way it is right now, it wouldn't be surprising to see Shiba Inu make another run for new highs. But that's not the only big news today. South Korea just made a massive announcement that could reshape the crypto landscape, and it includes Shiba Inu. After 7 years of heavy restrictions, South Korea's financial regulators have finally lifted the ban on institutional investors trading cryptocurrencies. This is a game changer. The demand for crypto investment products has been growing globally, and South Korea is one of the largest crypto hubs in the world. Under this new rule, companies listed on South Korea's stock exchange will be allowed to trade digital assets on a trial basis later this year. This could bring a flood of new institutional money into the crypto market. For Shiba Inu, this is a huge opportunity. South Korea has always been one of the most active crypto markets, but regulations kept major investors on the sidelines. Now that those restrictions are easing, institutional players will have the ability to invest legally. This could bring a wave of new capital into Shiba Inu and other major cryptocurrencies. And this isn't just about short-term price action. The fact that major institutions will soon be able to trade crypto in South Korea adds more legitimacy to the space. More credibility means more adoption. That could set the stage for Shiba Inu's long-term success. But here's the really exciting part. Shiba Inu isn't just another meme coin anymore. Its ecosystem has grown significantly, with developments like Shibarium, its Layer 2 blockchain, and a variety of new tech integrations. Shiba Inu is positioning itself as more than just a speculative asset. It's becoming a real player in the broader crypto space. If more countries follow South Korea's lead and ease restrictions on crypto investment, we could see global adoption accelerate. This could push Shiba Inu into the mainstream, transforming it into a recognized digital asset. Circling back to the latest market data, Shiba Inu just made headlines with an incredible surge in whale activity. In the past 24 hours alone, whale wallets have scooped up nearly 1 trillion Shiba Inu tokens. The level of accumulation seen in the past day is nearly double that of the previous day, showing that major players are stacking up their holdings. This kind of accumulation doesn't happen randomly. It usually signals confidence in the market and hints that something bigger could be coming soon. With Shiba Inu showing strength on the charts, Bitcoin whales making moves, and global interest in crypto picking up, everything is pointing to the potential for an explosive rally. Could this be the moment Shiba Inu finally breaks out? Could we be on the verge of another historic run? The market is unpredictable, but one thing is certain. Things are heating up fast, and the next few weeks could be crucial. Let me know your thoughts in the comments. If you want to stay ahead on all things Shiba Inu, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications. Missing an update could mean missing a massive opportunity.